I'm in love. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Berry Faye, and as you can tell from the title, today we will be unboxing and trying out a headband wig. If you guys don't know what a headband wig is, it's basically half of a wig where there's a headband that you attach to it to keep it down. It's like the latest craze everywhere, especially because of COVID. COVID has stopped a lot of manufacturers from being able to produce lace wigs because lace is basically scarce in this moment. So a company reached out to me on Instagram, and I've worked with them before in one of my other wigs. So they reached out to me again and they wanted me to go ahead and review their wig, but this time it was a headband wig. So I said, yeah, let's do it, because sometimes you just need that convenience of doing a quick hairstyle. So the way it works is you pull your hair back, which is how I have mine right here. I pulled it all the way back into a slick down bun. The hair is from Original Queen Hair on Instagram, and this is what the box looks like. Again, this is my second time working with them. I think this one I am going to like a lot better. Again, you can purchase this off of Amazon. The link will be down below. There's different kinds. You don't have to get the same style I got, but just to let you know, it's on Amazon and it comes literally 2 days later. So here is the box. Here is the wig. And because it's a headband wig, they give you some headband options, which is really nice. They give you 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you know what? I actually could wear one of these with my outfit. Either this brown one. Yeah, this seems the best option. So yeah, let's get started. Titles right there, kinky curly and 20 inches. I'm excited because I've been needing something that's really fast, because sometimes lace wigs is just too much. Like for me, I'm just now getting into like weaves, so sometimes lace wigs is just a bit much. Like I got time to be getting my hair done all the time. All right, so after you take off the hair net, I'm gonna keep that just so I can store it later. This is what it looks like. It looks really pretty. I don't really like the smell, but it's not horrible. It doesn't smell bad. But this is the hair. It's very soft. Oh my gosh, it is very soft. Like I'm not even joking. And this is what it looks like in the front. So as you can see, there's a headband attached to it that has Velcro. So you just open it, put it on, and attach it. It has 1, 2, 3. Yes, it has 4 combs on the inside of the wig cap, and the headband goes all the way across so that you can tie it down on your head. Now see that this part takes place of regular lace wigs. Right here is where the frontal or the closure would be, but instead it's just like half of a wig and you leave the front part of your hair out. So without further ado, let's do it. And let's do it. So again, I pulled my hair back, I gelled it down so that it can look nice. Got my edge scarf from Berry Faye Beauty, you already know. So this is where my hair is right now, and you see my waves, it matches the curls. That's why I got kinky curly. They do give you 2 wig caps. I think I'm going to use it just so I can make sure that this part gets flatter. This is what I've seen, because this part of my hair will be showing. All right, let's try it. So again, here is the wig. I'm going to open the Velcro part and put the comb on the back first. Okay, so I'll put the comb in the back first, and then I'm just going to pull it up over the wig cap, and then put that comb in the sides. Boom, like that. Okay. Let me do the other comb on the side. Secure this thing a little bit. Boom, like that. Ah, I like it already. This is so cute. All right, so it definitely feels secure. It's not going anywhere because those combs literally like are in there, which is a very good thing. It doesn't hurt, but you can feel it in there. All right, so let me pull these hairs up. Oh my gosh, this is going to be my everyday wig. Seriously. All right, so now you just take these two parts and take those hairs out. And you further secure it by probably would have rather that be something that you tie than something you Velcro, because it's not as tight as I would want it to be. I think I'm just going to tie it instead of Velcroing it. Okay, so I like it better tied. I definitely feel much more secure. This is what it looks like. So as you can see, here's my hair, here's the wig. I'm gonna pull this back just a little bit so my hair can show, so that it looks natural. All right, now let's pull this down. And voila! This is so cool. It looks so natural on me. Look at that. I love this. Only thing I don't like is my ponytail in the back, but it's okay. It's not horrible. But I actually really am digging this look on me. This is definitely going to be the style I rock like on a regular, because honestly, this is really nice. Really, really nice. Ah! My camera's dying. Give me a second. Alright, so I changed my camera out. I mean, my battery. But you guys, I absolutely am so in love. This is literally 5 out of 5, 10 out of 10. 100 out of 100. It's amazing. It looks so natural. I just went outside the door. Look how natural it looks on me. Yeah, this is my hair. I've been natural for 5 years. What's up? Y'all, this looks so me. Oh my gosh, I got a new hairstyle, and it's low maintenance, and my hair is still protected. I just gotta do my little edges, put my hair in a little ponytail, and I'm good to go. Like, this is something that I can wear as a teacher, because some days you don't want to do your hair, and I don't always want to have plaits, because let me tell y'all, the dreads I just took out, I've been taking them out for 3 days and I'm still not done. There's 3 pieces still in my hair, but I'm gonna wait till later today. I just had to get this video up for y'all. Look at it. Okay, so I'm gonna put some Art of Beauty Preserve Serum. This is from my sister's hair care line, Judy Carrasco. She has her own company, and she is also a hairstylist and hair loss specialist, so check her out. I'm gonna put some of that oil in it just so that it doesn't have that smell, and I want it to be a little bit more shiny, just you know. Ooh, ooh, and I, ooh. Okay, be careful. Yeah, I gotta figure out that middle comb, but for the most part it is secure. Ain't nobody gonna be pulling on my hair anyways. But I absolutely love how pretty this looks, especially against my hair. This looks like my hair. Like, these waves match these curls, and I absolutely love it. And it's so soft. I have never felt kinky curly hair this soft at all. Like, I'm not joking. I'm not amping it up. I'm for real. Okay. All right, let me try one of these headbands. I don't even want to wear the headband, to be honest, because I want it to look even more natural, but I'm gonna just try it on because they sent them to me. There's 5 of them, so let me at least try one. I like the butterflies, they're cute. So this is what it looks like with the headbands. I like it. I think it's cute. I'm gonna keep it on. I just hope my shoes match. But yeah, it feels really secure. It's really pretty. What do you guys think of this? I absolutely love this. Ah! I'm in love, y'all. I'm in love. I am in love. Thank thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Shout out to Original Queen Hair for sponsoring today's video. I can't believe I'm saying this, but it's a really great feeling to be able to do what I've always wanted to do, and that is sponsorships and working with other companies. You guys check out Original Queen Hair. You can buy their hair directly on Amazon. You can use Amazon Prime, get it in 2 days. I got this in 2 days. I will leave the link below so you can check out the price and everything. But yeah, 10 out of 10. This is worth your money, especially if you be on the go, honey. Like, and I don't think this hair is like ever gonna really get bad. It's such good quality for cheap, and your hair isn't, you don't have to glue, no none of that. Just put the wig or put the headband thing on and you're good to go. That's what the back looks like. It looks super natural. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. If you're not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Just join my family. We be lit over here, you know what I'm saying? I make sure I put y'all on. You know, I gotta put my peoples on. Period. Okay, we'll see you guys next video. Subscribe.